Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Tech Creator. How to find a ASCII value using SIP program. Full form of ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Meaning of ASCII, a standard data encoding format for electronic communication between computers. Now we see how to write a program to find a ASCII value. First we declare one variable ch. We will provide to the printf through message enter a character, and next using scanf to read a value or character to %c and percent of ch. So next we will convert a character to ASCII value direct without using any logic. Printf ASCII value of %c equals to %d. So next comma ch, it's a print character and another variable to print a value. The code was ready to convert or print to ASCII value. So check how to its work. So provide one character a. So you will see here it's written a value of a 97. Just using this code you will convert any character value to ASCII. So please friends, if you get some information or idea from this video, like, share and subscribe for more videos.